Welcome back to the channel, family. How's everyone doing today? Hope you're all feeling fantastic and ready to talk about something super exciting: tax savings. Yes, you heard that right? We're diving into some smart planning hacks today that can help you save big on your taxes and keep more cash where it belongs, right in your pocket. Now, I know taxes might not sound like the most thrilling topic, but trust me, when you see how much you can save, it gets exciting real quick. Imagine all the things you could do with that extra money: a nice vacation, a special treat, or even investing more for your future. We're talking about practical steps here, so whether you're new to tax planning or just looking to brush up on some savvy moves, you're in the right place. And hey, I want this to be interactive. So, if you're ready to save some serious cash, drop an emoji in the comments right now. Let's make it fun and help each other out along the way. Ready to dive in? Let's get started with Chapter 1, Tax Deduction Basics: How to Maximize Your Savings with Every Expense. Let's go. Let's kick things off with tax deductions, a fantastic way to reduce the amount of income you're taxed on. Think of deductions as tools to shrink your income in the eyes of the tax authorities, which means less tax for you. Did you know that if your medical and dental expenses exceed a certain percentage of your income, they're deductible? Imagine someone earning $50,000 a year and facing high medical bills. Those bills can reduce their taxable income if they keep track of every receipt. It's like giving yourself a financial cushion when health costs pile up. If you're working from home, you might qualify for the home office deduction. Let's say you converted part of your living room into an office. This space can now count as a business expense. You could be eligible for deductions on rent, electricity, and internet costs associated with your workspace, helping you keep more of your earnings. But wait, did you know there's even more you can deduct if you're self-employed or a freelancer? From your laptop and office supplies to professional subscriptions or travel costs for work, these expenses can all lower that taxable income. Let's say you took a business trip for a project. Those hotel and travel receipts might just be valuable. Every little bit adds up, so keep track of those receipts and give yourself credit for what you're spending on work. Even some educational expenses can qualify, like courses to improve skills related to your job. If you're investing in yourself, it could pay off in tax savings too. Who's already using these deductions? Drop a comment below. And if not, let's see some love in the comments if you plan to start tracking these deductions for next year. And hey, share your favorite deduction tip with us, it might help someone else, too. Deductions lower your income, but tax credits? These reduce your tax bill directly. Credits can feel like free money in your pocket, and trust me, these can make a major impact. For families, there's the child tax credit, which can knock thousands off your tax bill if you have kids. Imagine you're a parent earning $60,000. With this credit, you could reduce your tax bill by up to $2,000 per child. That's like money back from Uncle Sam just for being a parent. Ever heard of the lifetime learning credit? This one's gold for people looking to upskill or take courses. If you're spending on education, maybe a coding bootcamp or even an online degree, this credit could reduce your tax by up to $2,000. You grow your skills, and you keep more cash. And there's another one called the Earned Income Tax Credit, or EITC. This credit is designed to support low to moderate income workers, especially if you're single or have a family. Imagine you're working hard and earning $30,000 a year. The EITC could reduce your tax bill by hundreds or even thousands, depending on your situation. It's a great reward for all your efforts. Don't forget the American Opportunity Credit if you're a student or have one in the family. This credit is available for the first 4 years of higher education, covering up to $2,500 of educational expenses. Think of it as a little extra help toward tuition, textbooks, and other college costs. Who's planning to take advantage of these credits next tax season? Type credits in the comments if you're with me. Or tell me if you've already saved big using these. And hey, share your experience if you've benefited from any of these credits. It could help someone out. Now, let's talk about one of my favorite strategies, using retirement accounts to grow your wealth while cutting down on taxes. A retirement account isn't just about future you, it's about saving big right now. Contributing to a traditional IRA or 401k is like hitting two birds with one stone. Let's say you contribute $500 a month to a 401k with an annual income of $60,000. By year's end, that's $6,000 that's tax deferred. This lowers your taxable income immediately, and you'll only pay tax on it when you're ready to withdraw in retirement. A Roth IRA works a bit differently. You invest with after-tax money, but then, when you retire, that money and all the growth is yours, tax-free. Imagine the power of building a nest egg of, say, $200,000 and paying zero tax on it down the line. And the best part? Starting early means even small contributions can grow into something huge over time thanks to compound interest. Ready to start building that nest egg? Drop a save for the future in the comments if retirement savings is your next move. Investing isn't just for the super rich, it's a powerful way to secure your financial future. Let's say you decide to invest in a rental property. Every dollar you spend on mortgage interest, property taxes, and even repairs can reduce your taxable income. If you earn $10,000 from renting a property but deduct $6,000 in expenses, you only pay tax on $4,000. Investing becomes a money-saving tool as well as a wealth builder. HSAs, or health savings accounts, offer triple tax benefits if you're eligible. You don't pay tax on contributions, they grow tax-free, and if used for medical expenses, they're tax-free on withdrawal. Imagine saving $1,000 a year and watching it grow without Uncle Sam taking a cut. If you're looking at real estate or HSAs, type wealth goals in the comments. Let's make smart money moves together. Now here's a way to save on taxes that also feels amazing: giving back. Donations can be tax deductible, which means you're spreading kindness and getting rewarded for it. Let's say you donate $500 to a registered charity. This amount could reduce your taxable income by that much. So, if you're taxed at 20%, you're saving $100 right there. It's giving back while getting a little back, too. You can also donate things like clothes, electronics, or even your old car. As long as you keep records, these items are tax deductible at their fair market value. Think of it as decluttering with benefits. Plus, some organizations even match employee donations. Imagine if your workplace doubles your donation, that's twice the impact and still counts toward your deductions. And remember, even small donations add up over time, so every bit counts. It's a win-win, saving money while helping others. Anyone here who loves giving back? Drop a giving back in the comments, and let's make an impact together. I'm challenging you all today. Pick one of these tax-saving hacks and make a plan to try it out. Whether it's setting up a retirement account, donating to charity, or taking that lifetime learning credit, I want to see you make moves toward keeping more of your hard-earned cash. Decide which tax hack you'll use this year. Maybe you'll aim to maximize retirement contributions or take advantage of educational credits. Get organized. Keep every receipt and document that could mean tax savings. This includes everything from medical bills to business expenses, charitable donations, and school fees. Trust me, it adds up. If these tax-saving hacks helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and join the conversation in the comments. If you've got questions, I'd love to answer them. Let's make this channel your go-to for all things finance. Thank you all for watching. Remember, every tax hack you use is more cash in your pocket and a step closer to financial freedom. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and keep that money working for you. Bye for now.